In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding groups on ClickUp, step-by-step guide. If you've been using ClickUp for a while, or you're just getting started, adding groups, called teams inside the platform, is one of the simplest ways to organize people and streamline collaboration. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process from your workspace, explain what each action does, and share helpful tips so you can use this feature confidently and effectively. By the end, you'll not only know how to create a group, but you'll also understand how to name it well, add the right members, and keep it up to date as your organization evolves. Let's begin where you'll likely be already, inside your ClickUp workspace. On the overview screen, you can see a high-level picture of your items, spaces, and activity. This is a great starting point because it confirms you're in the right environment and lets you orient yourself before making any account level changes. If you use multiple workspaces, double check that you're currently in the one where you intend to add a group. The group you create will belong to the workspace you have open. On the top left of the interface, look for your workspace button. This is your gateway to administrative settings and configuration areas you don't use every day, but that shape how your workspace functions. Go ahead and click it. When you do, a menu opens with options for managing your environment. Among those, you'll see a Settings tab. That's where we're headed. Click the Settings tab to enter your workspace settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll find several categories on the left. Locate the section labeled Teams. This is where ClickUp centralizes all your group management. In ClickUp, a team is essentially a group of users that you can reference collectively. Instead of assigning a task to multiple people one by one, you can assign it to the team and everyone in that group will be included. It also makes it easy to mention a group in comments, set up views filtered for a specific group, and coordinate permissions in a more structured way. If collaboration is central to your work, this section will quickly become a favorite. Before we proceed, it's important to mention a quick detail about plans and permissions because it can affect what you see. The ability to create multiple teams can vary depending on your ClickUp plan and your role inside the workspace. Some plans support unlimited team creation, while others place limits. If you don't see the Create a Team button, you might need an admin to grant you access, or your workspace might require a plan upgrade. You don't need to do anything new here. Just be aware that what you see in this area can differ slightly, and that's often tied to your role or subscription level. Inside the Team section, look for the option to create a team. Click that. You're now setting up a new group. A small panel or window will prompt you for a name. This is where being intentional pays off. Choose a name that clearly communicates the purpose or function of the group. For example, if it's a functional department, something like marketing, design, or finance makes sense. If it's a cross-functional initiative, a name like Product Launch Crew or Campaign A Team can be helpful. The clearer and more consistent your naming is, the easier it will be for everyone to find and use the right group later on. Avoid including sensitive information or personal identifiers in the name.